So we are going to start chapter number 2 today. Title of chapter number 2 is Technology Enabled Communication. Correct. Now what is this technology enabled communication? The communication that we do by using technology. It is called technology enabled communication. Okay. Now what are the things we are going to learn in this chapter? Internet, email, blog, Moodle, social media and its type. In social media, we are going to learn 3 types of social media: Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. So let us understand first internet. Do you know what is the meaning of internet? What is the meaning of internet? Anyone can guess it? Can anyone guess it? Yes, students. Nobody knows what is internet. You use internet. Now you are using internet. Still you don't know. Internet is that we use our daily social media data. Social media data ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. There is a data that you use. Correct. But social media data नहीं होता. Social media is one of the platform where number of people, they share their views, opinions and ideas. That is what I'm asking you, because most of the time when I ask the question, what is internet, you tell me, or many students, they tell me it is WhatsApp, it is Facebook, and so on. But it is not the internet. It is not the meaning of internet. It is just the social media. Anyone else? Aisha, yours is good attempt. Anyone else? Okay, let us understand what is internet. On the screen, you can see the images given. Even the definition I have given here. Internet is global system of interconnected networks that, okay, now what is this internet? Internet is interconnected computer network. Internet is the system of interconnected computer networks. Okay. Internet is nothing but interconnected computer network. It is the global system of interconnected computer networks. This is the definition of internet. What is internet? Internet is global system of interconnected computer networks. Here on the screen, you can see one computer is connected to another computer by using internet. ओके इंटरनेट ने क्या किया है, 2 कंप्यूटर अलग अलग कंप्यूटर को कनेक्ट करने का काम किया है. करेक्ट. But here another different thing or different information I have given to you. What is that? I have mentioned here internet is the portmanteau word or portmanteau of interconnected network. What is this? Let us understand. Portmanteau means it is a word made of combination of 2 words. क्या है, एक word बनाते हैं हम लोग which is combination of 2 words. This is the meaning of portmanteau. Now what are those 2 words? Interconnected and network. These are the 2 words. But we have taken first part of this interconnected. Out of interconnected, we have taken inter, and out of network, only net is taken. And this is how this word internet has been made. कैसे बना है? इंटरकनेक्टेड में से क्या लिया? इंटर, एंड नेटवर्क में से लिया नेट, और ये दोनों मिला के एक वर्ड बनाया, उसे बोलते हैं हम लोग इंटरनेट. ओके. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. समझ में आ गया आपको? अंडरस्टूड दिस? What is internet? Can anybody tell me what is internet? बताइए क्या है इंटरनेट? It is a global system of interconnected networks. Now see here, another image is given. Globally, a web of network. Network कितने नेटवर्क है देखिए, अलग अलग पॉइंटर्स यहाँ पे blinking spots है. ये सभी blinking spots are nothing but your computers, and all these are computers are connected to each other by using this computer network or this network. Okay, and these computer networks, interconnected computer networks, use Internet Protocol Suite, that is IP, Internet Protocol Suite, to link the devices worldwide. ये सभी जो devices है, ये link करने का काम किसके जरिए होता है? What these networks use? They use Internet Protocol Suite. ओके, ये जो कंप्यूटर से ये कनेक्ट करने का काम किसके जरिए होता है? इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल सूट यूज करने के बाद ये सभी जो कंप्यूटर्स हैं वो इंटरनेट से जुड़ जाते हैं. Now see here, I have given a diagram. Let us understand how do we get internet. Now this is World ISP. Now what is the meaning of ISP? Long form of ISP. Long form of ISP is Internet Service Provider. क्या है ISP का मतलब? इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. ओके, ISP का मतलब क्या है? इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. But there is World ISP. World ISP means at the global level, there is World ISP, the first internet service provider, जो आपको इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. That World ISP or internet service provider gives internet or provides internet to the regional ISP. In every country, there will be regional ISPs. Regional ISPs at that particular region or in that country, there will be one ISP. In India, we have VSNL. VSNL, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. That VSNL will provide internet to the local ISP, local internet service provider. And then from those local internet service provider, we can use the internet at home or we can use the internet at the business. At home, we can use the cable modem line or we can use it by using the phone. Then digital subscribing is there. Through that, we can get the internet from the local ISP and we can use it. Whereas in business, there can be LAN, local area network. Okay, a direct line will get connected, that is lease line or local area network, and on that particular line different computers will be connected. बहुत सारे computers आप single line पे connect कर सकते हो, so that you can use the internet on all these computers. Okay, so let us move ahead. I hope you understood internet कैसे मिलता है हम लोगों को. How do we get internet? There is World ISP, World Internet Service Provider, which provides internet to the regional ISP. Regional ISP will provide internet to the local ISP, and from local ISP we can get the internet. Now let us understand a few information about internet. Now internet is a global network of computers which connects millions of computers around the world. एक क्या है ये? इंटरनेट क्या है? नेटवर्क ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. तो ये नेटवर्क है कंप्यूटर्स का जो सभी कंप्यूटर्स को ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कनेक्ट करने का काम करता है. Sometimes it is referred as network of network. Sometimes it is referred as network of networks. Now network of networks एक नेटवर्क है ना. ये इंटरनेट क्या है? एक नेटवर्क है. ये किससे कनेक्ट करने का काम करता है? नेटवर्क्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. अलग अलग कंप्यूटर्स है ना ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड से. कंप्यूटर्स फ्रॉम इंडिया, कंप्यूटर्स फ्रॉम अमेरिका, कंप्यूटर्स फ्रॉम से रशिया. ये सभी within India there is a network of computers. Again that network will be get connected to the computers of America. So again one more network. So number of networks are there, and internet is the network of all these networks. Okay, ये क्या है? एक मेन नेटवर्क है जो ये सभी बाकी नेटवर्क को कनेक्ट करने का काम करता है. That's why it is referred as network of networks. Now let us understand when it got emerged. Internet got emerged in 1970s in USA, in America, in United States, but it was not made available to general public until 1990s. 1990s तक जनरल पब्लिक को इंटरनेट अवेलेबल नहीं था. ओके, 1990s तक जनरल पब्लिक को इंटरनेट अवेलेबल नहीं था. 1970s में इमर्ज हुआ, मतलब ये इन्वेंट किया या फिर इट केम इनटू यूज in 1970s, but up to till 1990s it was not made available to general public. Internet is a network of physical cables. ये क्या है? इंटरनेट नेटवर्क है, बट किसका? फिजिकल केबल्स. फिजिकल केबल्स such as telephone wires, TV cables and fiber optic cables. Those cables we use to connect the PCs or computers on the network. But there are wireless connections such as Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, now we have 5G. But again, these Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G services, they need physical cables to get access to the internet. Okay, Wi-Fi हम लोग use करते हैं, 3G, 4G यूज करते हैं, लेकिन वो 3G, 4G Wi-Fi यूज करने के लिए भी आपको फिजिकल केबल्स की जरूरत पड़ती ही है टू गेट एक्सेस टू द इंटरनेट. एंड इंटरनेट यूजेस स्टैंडर्ड इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल. इंटरनेट क्या करता है? यूज करता है स्टैंडर्ड इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल. एवरी कंप्यूटर in internet is identified by a unique IP address. सभी कंप्यूटर्स को एक IP एड्रेस दिया जाता है, वो अलग होता है, एक दूसरे से अलग होता है. It is not same for all the computers. So that unique IP address is your identity on the network. एक कंप्यूटर को एक नाम दिया जाता है. That IP address is nothing but the name given or address given to that particular computer. And it is only one. If one PC is there or one laptop is there, one mobile is there, one unique ID is given and which is not same to other. सो जितने भी कंप्यूटर्स होंगे उतने आईपी एड्रेस बनते हैं. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. समझ में आ गया आपको? Now let us understand how does internet work. इंटरनेट कैसे काम करता है वो समझ लेते हैं. See, when you visit a website, कोई भी आप वेबसाइट विजिट करते हो तो क्या होता है, you send a request to these wires or to a server. Okay, आप क्या करते हो, you send a request to a server. सर्वर क्या है, it is where you store the website. Server ऐसा like the hard drive of your computer. सर्वर स्टोर्स द वेबसाइट्स. ओके, ये सर्वर क्या करता है, वेबसाइट स्टोर करता है. एंड वंस यू सेंड द रिक्वेस्ट, server will receive the request and will retrieve the website. It will search the web pages, websites, and it will send you the correct data to your computer. तो पहले आप रिक्वेस्ट डालते हो, मतलब यू सर्च एनीथिंग ऑन द सर्च इंजिन. उसके बाद ये रिक्वेस्ट जाता है सर्वर को. सर्वर रिलेवेंट डेटा क्या करता है, फाइंड आउट वेब पेजेस, वेबसाइट फाइंड आउट करता है और वो सेंड करता है. एंड यू कैन सी इट ऑन द स्क्रीन ऑफ योर मोबाइल और ऑफ योर लैपटॉप, ऑफ योर कंप्यूटर एंड सो ऑन. सी, दिस इज हाउ क्विकली इट वर्क्स. कितना क्विकली काम करता है ना. आप टाइप करने के बाद इमीडिएटली विद इन अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स, यू गेट द डेटा बैक ऑन योर कंप्यूटर, ऑन योर लैपटॉप और ऑन योर फोन. There are two types of lines that you can use to get access to internet. The first one is dial-up. Dial-up is the slowest type of internet connection. It uses your phone line, cable phone line, and it is a line for anyone having a PC. अगर आपके पास PC है, लैपटॉप है, anyone can use this line. Anyone can get connected just by dialing in. Dial up मतलब पता है ना, dialing करना, dial number dial होता है and automatically you get connected on that network and you will get the connection. At home, many times when we are using on phone, we are using this kind of internet connection. Lease line, it is a direct line to the network. ये क्या है, direct line है network को, and which connects directly to the server. But this is very expensive. ये बहुत expensive है. That's why it is not used by general public, but it is used by the large organizations. Internet is information superhighway. Now, what is the meaning of highway? Highway क्या होता है? You can drive with a speed on highway. You can move quickly on highway. Correct? जल्द जा सकते हैं हाईवे से. Super highway बहुत ही fast. So what is this? Internet is what? Internet is information superhighway. So on internet you can get ample information quickly. That is information superhighway. So where we are getting this information? There is www, World Wide Web. It is collection of website. ये World Wide Web क्या है? अलग अलग वेबसाइट से उसका कलेक्शन है, which is available on internet. It again includes different kind of documents. ये वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब है, उसमें वेबसाइट्स का कलेक्शन है और अलग अलग वेब पेजेस, अलग अलग डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी रहते हैं, उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं वेब पेजेस. सो वेब पेजेस, वेबसाइट्स आर collected in the website or in the www, and it is open to all computers. So once you search any information, server will collect that website, it will save or web page, and the information will send to you. And ample information is available. बहुत ज़्यादा information available है internet के ऊपर, because there are number of websites, number of web pages are available and which are stored in the server. server में बहुत सारे web pages, websites store करके हम लोगों ने रखे हैं. So any information if you want, you can just type and you can get the information. पुराने जमाने में ऐसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. If you want any information, you have to go to the library, read the books, and then you could get the information. But now quickly you can get ample information. That's why internet is said as information superhighway. Next is VSNL. Now what is this VSNL? VSNL is Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. If you want to get access to internet in India, you have to apply to VSNL. अगर इंटरनेट का एक्सेस आपको चाहिए तो आपको कहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है इंडिया में? VSNL, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड. It is the service provider, internet service provider in India. ISPA in VSNL is an ISP, internet service provider in India. It provides internet access to 6 major cities in India. इंडिया में 6 मेजर सिटीज, बड़े शहरों में 6 बड़े शहरों में इंटरनेट एक्सेस प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. कौन कौन से सिटीज है? मुंबई, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, चेन्नई, पुणे एंड बैंगलोर. देन यू माइट वंडर, खाली ये 6 सिटीज में ही इंटरनेट मिलेगा, बाकी के सिटीज में हम लोगों को यूज करना है तो कैसे यूज करें? सो if you are living or residing in other cities apart from these 6 cities, and if you want to get the access to internet, you have to get connect to any of the closest internet access cities. ये इंटरनेट एक्सेस सिटीज दिए है ना, 6 इंटरनेट एक्सेस सिटीज दिए हैं. तो जो कोई भी सिटी आपके नजदीक है उसको आपको कनेक्ट होना है. यू हैव टू कनेक्ट टू दैट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर which is there in that access city, in internet access cities. This is called as INNET. What is this? It is called as INNET. INNET, INET. It is called INNET when people from other cities, when they want the access to internet, they have to get connected to the closest internet access cities. Now let us understand advantages of internet. Now internet is used for research purposes. In the earlier days, if you want to do research of anything, you have to go to the library, get the book, read ample information, or you have to interview the people, and then you can get the data, and then you can start your research. But internet, as it is said, information superhighway. So a lot of information is available, and that information can be used to do the research. Okay, internet is a medium for communication. हम लोग अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? Communication ही कर रहे हैं ना. So it is one of the mediums to communicate. Medium पढ़ा है ना हम लोगों ने communication process में. So internet is a medium for communication. It allows us to communicate with each other or people sitting at remote locations. See, I'm sitting at my home, you all are at your home, but still we are getting connected by using internet. Education and self-improvement can be done over the internet by making reference to multiple educational materials. Self-improvement means खुद को बेहतर बनाना. Say if you know English, but if you want to learn better English, you can search different educational material is available, audio clips are available, videos are available. You can see that, you can watch it, and you can improve your English. So for the sake of self-improvement, for the sake of education, to learn anything, if you want to learn anything, you need to just search on internet, and you will get ample educational material available that can be used for educating oneself or improving oneself. Next is electronic newspapers and magazines are available. है ना, e-paper available है, e-magazines are available. अभी there is no need. Now we all have become virtually connected. Earlier, what was the case? Only newspaper in print we used to get, but now their website, news agencies have their they have their websites, and on their websites they put their e-paper newspaper, which electronic newspaper, that is e-paper, and that e-paper people can read at any time, anywhere, while traveling, or say while doing any work, you can just read internet. So you can read the newspaper. So internet, on internet, electronic newspapers and magazines are available. Internet is also a medium for entertainment. Is it? Number of videos, movies, songs, everything is available on internet. You can entertain yourself by various watching various movies, songs, then audio clips, books, everything is available on internet. There are various modes for entertainment are available on internet, and through that you can entertain yourself. So it is a medium for entertainment. Online television, online TV is available. Online, you can play games online. You can see songs, videos, which are available online. And even there are different social networking apps. Those social networking apps you can download and you can get connected to each other on internet. Internet provides concept of electronic commerce. E-commerce पता है ना? You can do business on internet. You can do different kinds of business deals by using internet. So electronic commerce or business, e-business is available through internet. And internet allows us to use many services. अलग अलग services हम लोग use कर सकते हैं on internet, such as internet banking is available, matrimonial services are available, online shopping, online ticket booking, online bill payment, data sharing, email, sending messages, different kinds of services are available that we can use by using internet. Understood? Advantages of internet. Now there are few disadvantages that we have to understand. See, there are always chances to lose personal information. आपकी personal information बहुत बार ऐसे होता है, हो सकता है, because you get registered, you download different apps, you give permission to many things, so your personal information can be released to those people. Privacy cannot be kept that much intact when you are using internet, when you are using smartphone. Personal information such as your name, address, credit card number, and so on, which can be available to the other people. Next is spamming. Spamming is nothing but unwanted emails in bulk. बल्क में अनवांटेड ईमेल्स सेंड किए जाते हैं. These emails doesn't have any purpose, but it leads to obstruction of entire system. Entire system खराब करने के काम ये करता है spamming. So अगर कोई भी ईमेल आता है, unnecessary ईमेल आता है, तो गूगल में या फिर many ईमेल सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स उनके सिस्टम में ही, सेटिंग में ही, अगर ऐसा कोई अनवांटेड ईमेल है, it directly goes to spam folder. Okay, so spamming is there. Next is virus. See, virus can be easily spread to the computers which are connected to internet. कौन से कंप्यूटर के ऊपर वायरस जाता है, वायरस का अटैक होता है जो इंटरनेट से कनेक्टेड है. Such virus can attack your system and your system can crash. Your important data may get deleted. आपकी सिस्टम क्रैश हो सकती है, आपका डेटा डिलीट हो सकता है. So this is the threat. When you are using internet, there are chances of virus threat. Next is, there are various websites that do not provide authentic information. बहुत सारे वेबसाइट है, ब्लॉग्स है, where authentic information is not provided. These are the people like us who create those websites, who create those web pages, who create those blogs, and they provide the information which may not be correct, which may not be truthful. and that can lead to misconception among many people. बहुत से लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, misconception, उनकी वो गलत सोच सकते, कोई भी चीज है उसके बारे में उनकी गलत सोच बन सकती है. So these are some of the disadvantages of internet. I hope you understood what is internet, how does it work, then what is VSNL, how internet is information superhighway, what are the various advantages and disadvantages of internet. I hope you understood all these points. Got it? Any doubt you have?